Hello guys, welcome to Ask IITians. My name is Gaurav. I hope you all are doing right. Guys, today we will discuss an important topic for the class 9 seminar in triangle, that is similarity of triangles. So study about the what is the difference between the similarity and the component of a triangle. Then we'll discuss basic proportionality theorem, PPT theorem. Okay, so just let me share my screen. Right. Yeah, guys. So your triangle chapter, your CBSE weightage is from 5 marks to 7 marks. Okay. So yeah, guys, today we cover topic similarity and criteria. What is the criteria for your similar triangle and your basic proportionality theorem, also BPT theorem, right? The short form is BPT theorem. It is very frequently asked question, right? Uh, Based on your BPT theorem. Okay. So yeah, similarity criteria. Guys, can you please tell me, or I think you know the difference between the similarity, the similar triangles and congruent triangles. Okay, if I show these triangles ABC and PQR, if these triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, if these triangles are what congruent, it means their corresponding angles and corresponding sides are equal. I'm saying if these triangles are congruent, it means their corresponding angles. Angle A will be equal to what? Angle C. Angle B will be equal to what? Angle Q. Angle C will be equal to what? Angle R. And AB will be equal to AB will be equal to your PQ. Your AB will be equal to your PQ. Okay. Your BC will be equal to your QR. And your AC will be equal to your PR. Then these corresponding angles and corresponding sides will be equal. In case of congruent triangle, it means the area, the whole area of triangle ABC will be equal to triangle of area of triangle PQR. But if I said that two triangles same ABC with PQR, if this is one part of a congruent, right? If triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, it means in that case only the ratio of their side will be equal. Okay, so AB upon PQ will be equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. Okay, the ratio will be equal, not each side will be equal, right? So in this case, area, if we talk about area, can be equal and cannot be equal. Okay, this is the basic difference between similar triangles and congruent triangles. In congruent triangles, the triangles are have equal area. Okay, but in similar triangle, they can have and they cannot have their areas equal. So basically, what similar triangle means, let's suppose if this triangle, if this triangle, suppose a ABC triangle. Okay, in this triangle, if uh, it is congruent to another triangle, then that triangle should have equal angles and equal side, right? But if this triangle is similar, then this triangle can be similar to this bigger one. Okay, this triangle can be similar to bigger one because the ratio of their sides are equal. Okay, so in that case, you can clearly visible. It is clearly visible that if ABC is what similar to what PQR, it means that their area will be different. It is clearly visible from the figure, right? Why was their sides are proportional, not equal? Okay, so there is a bit difference in proportional and equal. I think you all got the point. Congruent triangles means they will have each each side, each angle equal, corresponding sides of congruent triangle. Okay, and in case of similar triangle, they are just in proportional. So they will have if this is equal to one, you can say that yeah, these triangles are similar and these triangles are congruent as well. So the basic point is that these triangles do not have their area equal, right? Yeah, we can say also one thing that all congruent triangles. If I say all congruent triangles are similar, yes, all congruent triangles are similar, but all similar triangles are not congruent. Are not congruent, right? The vice versa is not true. Okay, I think you all have got the point. So we'll now discuss the similarity and its criteria. So yeah, guys, if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding angles are congruent. Their corresponding angles are equal, and their corresponding sides are proportional. Are proportional in case of similar triangles. In case of congruent triangles, these are equal. So there are three criteria for proving that triangles are similar. Okay, first is double A, or can say AA. AA means, for example, this triangle, ABC triangle and your XYZ triangle. Your angle A is equal to angle XY. Let me just write it right. Angle A is equal to what? Angle Y. Okay. And angle B is equal to angle Z. Okay. If particular angles or a pair of angles of two triangles are equal, it means these triangles are similar. Triangle ABC will be similar to what? This is the triangle A is Y, B is Z, and C is X. Right or not? If a pair of angles are equal, it means by double A, we can prove the triangle ABC is similar to what? Triangle YZX. Okay, this is the criteria for your similar triangle. Okay, if two angles are equal, will the third angle be equal? Definitely yes. Will the third angle will be equal? Definitely yes. That's why we do not write A. We only write AA because if two pairs of angles are equal, it means the third pair will always and will be equal. Okay, why? Because the sum of integral angles of a triangle is equal to 180. We can easily subtract. Let me show you. Let me show you. If A is equal to Y, B is equal to Z. If these two are given, I am saying that angle C will be equal to angle X. Right? Why I am writing this? So if A is equal to Y, B is equal to Z. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C will what? Will be equal to 180. Angle A is what? Angle A is angle Y. Angle B is what? Angle X. So angle C equal to 180. So angle C will be equal to what? 180 degree minus angle Y plus angle X. And what is 180 degree minus angle Y plus angle X? That will be angle X, angle C. It is written angle Z there. It should be angle Z. SAS, next is SS. SS says if two sides of one triangle are proportional to two sides of another triangle and the included angles are congruent. Basically, it is saying if your AB upon YZ is equal to if two triangle if your corresponding ratio of the corresponding sides are equal, equal to BC, your ZX and angle AB upon Y, AB upon let's just finish on. Yeah, first is clear, then SAS it says let's suppose A, B, C, P, Q, R. If you say that your AB divided by PQ equal to your AC by PR, okay. If these the ratio of these sides are equal and angle A is equal to angle P. If these conditions are given, then by SAS side angle side, these two triangles will be similar, right? And what here what the point? What SSS is if three sides are proportional to three sides of another triangle, it means AB upon BC equal to AB upon of another triangle, okay, not BC. AB upon PQ is equal to AC divided by PR is equal to BC upon QR. This is your criteria by SSS. SSS means side, side, side. Okay. If three sides of one triangle are proportional to three sides of another triangle, then by SSS, these two triangles are what? Similar. Right? I think you all have got the point what similarity and what is the difference between similar and congruent and what is the criteria for similar triangles. Okay. So yeah, let us just do a question. The triangles are, for example, A 30, the question is just saying that all triangles of 30, 50, and 90 degrees are similar. A, B, C, E, Q. We are taking these two triangles, right? Suppose this is 90 degrees, this is 30 degrees, suppose this is 30 degrees. Right? How can you prove that your 30, 60, 90 triangles are similar? Right? Why? Because you know that all 30, 50 degrees, you can easily prove by AA, by double A, you can prove that these triangles are similar. Why? 90 and 90 are common to all triangles and equal, right? So 30 degree and 30 degree are equal. If the two triangles are equal, we know the criteria by double A. Okay. You can also prove it by SAS, side angle side. Why? Because their ratio will also be what you can say. The ratio will not be equal. If this suppose side is A root 2, then your A root 1, no, it will not be by SAS, it will not be. But yeah, you can prove it. You can prove it by double A, by AA criteria. Uh, by AA criteria, this mm, all 30 60 triangles are similar. Okay, why angle 90, angle B is equal to angle Q is equal to angle B. Angle C is equal to angle R is equal to 30 degrees. You do not have to write for angle A and angle B. So thus by AA, these two triangles are similar. So you can write. Using the triangles from example A, this one, to find out the ratio between the three sides of, okay, so we have to find out the ratio between the three sides of an, okay. So basically you have to find out the three sides. Suppose a triangle ABC. This angle is given 30 degrees. Suppose the side AB is A, and right, you have to find out the ratio of AB upon BC and AC. Okay. So guys, you know the value of sine 30. Your in triangle ABC, your AB upon AC will be equal to what? Will be equal to sine 30 degree. AB is what? A upon AC. Sin 30 value, sin 30 is 1 upon 2. So AC will be equal to 2 of A. AC will be equal to of 2 of A. Similarly, you can easily write that your BC or AB upon BC, the same triangle AB upon BC that is perpendicular upon base is what? Is sine, sorry, 1030. AB upon BC is what? 1030. Okay. Your AB is A, BC you have to find out, and on 1030 is what? 1 upon 2, 3. So your BC will be equal to A root 3, right? So you can write your AB is to BC is to AC of any 30, 60, 90 degree and triangle. Okay, so AB is what? A ratio. What BC is? A root 3. What AC is? 2A. So A and A can cancel out in terms of ratio. So you will get 1 ratio root 3 ratio 2. Okay, this is got it or not? Okay. The third part says find the missing side of the triangle given below. So here your A was, here your A is 10. Right? You here your AB is 10. So similarly you can write if this is A, AB is A, and AC will be 2A. 2A means 20. And BC is A root 3, that is 10 root 3, right? Because you know the ratio. Okay, you can also see the solution that by AA two pairs of common triangles are equal, right? Right, guys. Just go through the solution. If you do not know the value of sin 30 and sin 30, just go through the solution. Okay. So yeah, the now comes the main chunk or the main concept for this session, that is basic proportionality theorem. Right? It's very important theorem for your ninth standard, and also it comes for your 10th standard also. Right? Very important theorem. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, let's suppose this triangle we are talking about A, B. First understood what theorem says. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, suppose that side is BC. Okay. So if we draw a line parallel to one side of a triangle, if we draw a line parallel to BC, intersecting the other two sides, obviously it will intersect the other two sides in distinct points. Let's suppose your P point and this point Q, and it is given that these lines are parallel, right? Distinct point, and then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. It means your AB divided by PB will be equal to what? Your AQ divided by QC. This is what your basic proportionality theorem says. Just keep in mind the result, right? Focus on this one. The question or the theorem says that if one side is parallel to another, then that side will divide the triangle in ratio. AP upon PP will be equal to what? AQ upon QC. How this theorem came, guys? How this theorem just see it here. Suppose this angle is A angle, okay? Yeah, guys. So, are you seeing the triangle? We have just done construction. Uh, we have just done construction. We have drawn a perpendicular from Q point to this, let's say N, from P point to AQ suppose E, right? And we have just joined these points. Guys, can you write the area of your EDE? Your EDE area will be equal to, the area of triangle is half base into height. So triangular EDE will be equal to your base AD into your height EN. Got the point? I think the first point is clear. If area of ADE can be equal to, if you take your base as AD into NE. If you take your base AE, then you AE into DM. First and third equation, I think you got the right, your area of ADE. If you take your base as AD, then half AD into your height will be NE in triangle. If this height is H, base is B, then area of triangle will be half B into H, base into height. Then that height should be from opposite vertex to that base, right? Guys, now we are doing VDE. We are calculating area of triangle VDE. Your base is VD, right? But your height is same. Your height is same, EN. Why? Because it is an obtuse triangle, right? Just imagine this one. V, D. If this is an obtuse triangle, let's suppose VD is B, then half V into what H is height is always perpendicular to the base. That is will draw a perpendicular to your base BD, extended BD. So this is how your area calculated in case of obtuse triangle, right? So BD into EN. First and second option, second question clear. And DEC, the same way, half EC into of DM, the same way, right? If you think about equation one by equation two, if you divide equation one by equation two, and ADE upon VDE, half and half will cancel out, EN and ES will cancel out, you will get AD upon DB. Similarly, if you divide 3 by 4, you will get AE upon EC. Okay, guys, just tell me for your A equation and your B equation, your ADE and AEDE, your ADE are the same triangle, right? It means this area will be equal. What can you say about BDE area and DEC area? BDE area and DEC area. The area of BDE will be equal to your area of DEC. Why? Because the base is same. The base DE is same and height is also same because of parallel sides. If two triangles are there, they are between same parallel lines. It means the height will be same, and if their base are already same, it means their area will be equal. So yeah, your from equation A and B, your LHS are equal. It means ED divided by DB will be equal to AE upon BC. It is that simple to prove, right? I think you all got the point that how your BPT theorem is proved, right, guys? So this is how your BPT theorem is proved. Just uh, remember the result that if in a triangle, a line is parallel to third side of a triangle, and it intersects it at two distinct points, then the ratios are equal. So AP1 PB equal to AP1 PB. So yeah, guys, one question is there for you. In the triangle ABC, the side AB and AC, AB and AC are intersected by a line DE, which is parallel. It is given that this line DE is equal to BC. If this line DE is equal to BC, it means your AD divided by DB will be equal to what? UAE by EC. Why, guys? Because by BPT basic proportionality theorem, right? So these are equal. But the question asks that you AD upon AB, your AE upon EC should be equal, right? So we have to prove this one. How are we gonna prove? Just add one to both sides. So AD divided by DB. I'm just adding one plus one, adding one on both sides. So here DB will be LCM, so AD plus DB. Okay, so just yeah, one thing I have missed, guys. Something I have missed because I have just go by the. So yeah, this is 2 by PPT, and we have to prove this one AD upon DB. Just reciprocal it, guys. Then you DB upon AD will be equal to what? EC upon AE. I've done just nothing. I've just reciprocal it, okay? And if you just add 1 plus 1, add plus 1 on both sides, you just take the LCM. You AD. Your numerator will be AD plus DB. So AE will be EC plus AE. Then just tell me what AD plus DB is. AD plus DB will be equal to what? To AB. And what is EC plus AE equal to? That is AC. Just reciprocal it one more time, you will get your desired question, desired result. Okay. This is as simple as that. Okay. So guys, I think so yeah, same way. Let's go through the solution the same way. Okay. Guys, these are the questions for your practice on question number 1 and question number 2. You have to do. Let me just show you or just first prove it just solve it by yourself, guys. We are just discussing question number 2. How will you gonna prove? I'm just giving you a hint. Suppose a triangle ABC. This triangle A, B, and C. If DE is drawn parallel from the midpoint of AB, okay, this is midpoint. Okay, so DE line, DE. So D is the midpoint. It means the AD will be equal to CD. Got it? And midpoint of AC at E. These are also midpoint. So AE will be equal to EC. Okay. Where AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. It means if this is ratio is given, it means the lines are also parallel. And prove that ADE is equal to EC. These angles are equal. To prove that ABC is an isosceles triangle. This is what we know, guys, right? What we know. Guys, these lines are parallel. If these lines are parallel, then your angle ADE will be equal to your angle of what? Angle of ABC or not? Why? Because of corresponding angles, right? And your ADE angle was equal to your this C angle. It means your angle B will be equal to angle C. And if B is equal to C, it means it is an isosceles triangle, right? It is that much easy. Just go through the figure and observe what is going on, right? Here it is already given that your ADE is equal to ACE and these lines are parallel. Why parallel? Because the ratios are equal. Reverse of BPT, okay? So I think you can easily do this. Guys, we are going to do question number 1. Create similar triangles in order to solve for X. This is what diagram is. You have to calculate the value of X. For that, you have to create a similar triangle. I'm just converting this triangle. So that is okay. I'm just converting your given diagram like this. CD, okay, F, A, to B to C to D to F and E. X is given 3.5 and this is your 3.5. This is your 2. I think this is your 2.5. This is 1.5. Guys, we were told only the diagram C, D, F, E, F, A, B. We have just construct what? The P point. Okay. These all angles are 90 degrees. And these angles are corresponding. So it means these are the parallel lines. If these are a parallel line, you can easily prove. You can easily can get the value of x. Just focus, guys. Just focus. Focus in triangle PFE. In triangle PFE, guys, in triangle PFE, so CD is parallel to FE. It means by VPT theorem, you can write here PC upon CF is equal to CD upon FE is equal to CD upon DE. Right or not? Because these triangles are similar also, and these triangles are by BPT also we can write, right? Because of angle P common. So what PC is? Let us count PC. CF is what? 2.5. CD is what? 2. And FE is 3.5. So you can write PC is equal to 2.5 into 2 is 5 divided by 3.5. You will get PC as 10 upon 7. Okay, guys, because in triangle PFE, you can write PC upon CF equal to PD upon DE by VPT theorem, right? And angle B is common to both the triangles. So yeah, these triangles are similar, and if similar triangles are there, then the third will also be proportional. Okay, all the sides will be proportional. So 10 upon 7 we have got PC, but we have to find out the value of x, and for that x, guys, just focus in triangle PAB. In PAB triangle, you can write that is CD is parallel to your AB. So you can write your PC divided by, I think I've missed out. Guys, just focus. Let if PC upon CF is equal to not will take, okay, the CF. Let me just show you. Let me just show you. I will tell you that what I have mistake upon, right? So if PC upon CF, if PC divided by CF will be equal to if PD divided by DE by B P P theorem. Okay. and okay, so you got this point, and angle P will be equal to angle P. So you can write by SAS two triangles PAP will be similar to what? PDC. This is what I have told you, right? So it means the corresponding sides will be equal. So PC by CF will be equal to PC upon PF with whole PF, okay, and will be equal to PE will be equal to CD divided by PF or FE will be equal to PD by PE. This is what we have to do, right? So what I have done, and we have focused just on triangle PEF. So CD is parallel to your FE. It means that the corresponding sides will be the ratio will be equal. Why? Because by a PPT, right? You know that corresponding sides are equal, and your angle P is equal to angle P. So yeah, you can easily prove that your triangle PFE will be what similar to a triangle PDC. And if this is you can prove, then it means the ratio of all the sides will be equal. So what PC is, let us just count PC. What PF is? PF is what? PF is PC plus 2.5. CD is 2 and FE is 3.5. Just cross multiply it guys. Just cross multiply. So yeah, 3.5 PC will be equal to 2 PC plus 5. So 1.5 PC will be equal to 5. So PC will be equal to 5 upon 1.5. From here you can easily write PC will be equal to 10 upon 3. So PC is equal to 10 upon 3. You have got value of PC. Okay. Just do the same thing. Just do the same thing. Make the triangle CCD similar to triangle PVA. Here you can write that PC divided by PV is equal to CD upon AB. You have to find the value of AB. AB is your X. Okay. So what PC is? PC is 10 upon 3. What PV is? PV is 10 upon 3 plus UPC. UPC is what? 4. CD is 2. And the AB is X. So just do the calculation. You will find out that your X will be equal to what? 4.4. Right guys? So this is what you need to do. The question is very, very good question. What? Very good question. So yeah guys, this is how we have done the question. I've just mistaken by your CF, right? So you have to do it this way. So yeah guys, the session is over. So yeah, we have just done the basic proportionality theorem and the similar criteria. Okay, just do the more, just do the as many more questions you can do. Right. This is all about the session. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot.